Well, good morning, tiny boat friends. I'm going to be working on the tiny boat this morning. I'm going to be installing the Garmin UHD2 63SV Plus transducer this morning. If you watched my last video where I pretty much finishing up the access holes and all that good stuff, I was trying to get it ready to go fishing Saturday, but man, I just felt rushed and couldn't get everything together, so I did not get the boat out on the water. I'm going to be wiring this Garmin up today, and let's see how that goes. And we'll see inside. All right, guys, so I'm going to mount the new Garmin in the same location that I had the old one, and it's going to be right here. Used some electrical tape to mark how far I'm going to drill, how deep I'm going to drill. Oh yeah, okay. Very good. Now for the fun part. Let's hope this works. There you can see it. I'm getting hung up right here, and that, which would be, because I'm real close to this cleat, so I'm getting hung somewhere in here. It looks like I could put my arm in there. There's the light. Let me see if I can put my arm in there. Oh, I got it. See there. Oh man, that took me forever. Guys, that took me forever. Yesterday I completed the wiring, fishing the wire through. Man, that was a task and a half, but we got it done. Today I'm going to finish up the Garmin fish finder. Let's get to the action. I need more hands, I'll tell you that. And then the rubber bushing, and then the transducer, and then the rubber bushing. Bushing needs to be a little harder. I don't know. Let's see. Now, for the real test, this is what I fixed up yesterday, wiring the boat and ran the power down here underneath the unit. And again, I've got extra cables, so I've got to do some cable management. Alright, now let's see if it works. I got my yak power remote. And I've got this on again. So the power is on. Ah, look at there. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, I agree. United States, English. I don't see. Let's see. I don't see hillbilly, so I guess we'll get English. We're going to stop right there because we got power. We got the power. And we're going to go on YouTube and figure this out. I did get the Garmin up and going last night. It's updated. So we're going to install this puppy. My son had to 3D print this off for me. Notice, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got Tim's tiny boat. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's... I don't know. Anyway, you can see a little bit of it there. It's going to sit right there. I can tighten it up. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. Anyway, it just gives me the ability to manipulate it and adjust it to where it works for me. Okay, power on. Oh yeah. And there we go. It's been fun working on this boat, and once I get everything cleaned up real good, I'll show you everything that I've done. But anyway, guys, well, I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you hadn't subscribed to my channel, please do. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up. Y'all have a great day, and God bless.